We're high schoolers from Alpha School Austin, and we're here in New York City. We're here today to teach the New York Alpha parents and students how to use OpenClaw and walk away with all the skills needed in just 6 hours.
Get up, get set, let's go! Yeah!
We're here to take you guys from step 0 of getting OpenClaw downloaded all the way to being able to do a bunch of projects on your own.
You make me happy, so happy. Ooh, na, 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 na.
Our goal today is to get all of them fully set up with OpenClaw so that they can automate some of their lives and make it easier.
Instead of being a normal AI where it's just in your browser, OpenClaw controls your entire computer.
It can do things that might take you hours to do manually, but you can have it run while you're literally asleep.
I was having it do a bunch of Reddit replies and posts, and I think it did 800 in a week or something, and so that was super helpful.
Okay, so we're about to get to the meat of this workshop. We're going to do 5 different builds. After we set up OpenClaw, we did 5 different mini projects. First, we're gonna start with installing Whisper. Whisper gives your OpenClaw bot the ability to listen to voice messages. The next one is a daily digest bot. If you guys raise your hand if you have any questions, we'll get to you.
These students from Alpha Austin were clear communicators. They demonstrated comfort in front of a room full of adults and young children, and it was really impressive.
We are about to do show and tell. We want to show you guys some of the cool stuff that people did. We had one person who made $16 creating a trading bot, and then we had a 10-year-old create an automatic newsletter that emails her every morning. And we also had 2 8-year-olds make a multiplayer game.
Whoever is the last one standing wins. Boom, boom, boom.
The coolest thing I saw today was the little kids. It was really cool to see how they used OpenClaw to build something that they truly love. Talking to parents, I think it was just exciting to see how excited everybody was.
This is really like a new paradigm. The uses that I see for it, they're limitless.
Well, we wanted to thank every one of you guys for sticking through the 6-hour workshop. It means a lot to all of us.
Thank you for showing us what's possible here at Alpha. Let's get a huge round of applause.